In today's tutorial, make sure you how to disable or turn off your VPN while roaming on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I like to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the item on the left side that says network and internet. And then on the right side, select where it says VPN. Where it says allow VPN while roaming, click inside this oval to toggle up to the left to disable it, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.